Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites: device model, Android version, and available storage so you know what constraints you have. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset cellular and Wi-Fi radios, then re-enable networks. This clears transient connectivity blocks. Next, restart the phone to flush background processes and cached locks. Make sure to open the Play Store or the affected app status screen to note any immediate errors before moving into deeper repairs. Now you'll dive into the complex middle steps that actually fix persistent downtime. First, clear the app cache or data. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall to eliminate corrupt binaries. Next, inspect background data, battery optimization exceptions, and app permissions so nothing is being throttled. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party interference and run simple diagnostics. A DNS ping to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and if comfortable, grab a logcat for error traces. Finish by applying any pending system or app updates. Those often include fixes for downtime. If updates don't help, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort, then restore apps selectively to avoid reintroducing the issue. Make sure to retest connectivity and app behavior after each restore step so you can pinpoint the cause. If the service remains down, contact your carrier or the app developer and consider rolling back to a previous Android build where stability was known.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.